If you're tired of your computer feeling sluggish, or if you're looking for a safe, fast and completely free alternative to Windows, you're in the perfect place. Welcome back to Linux Network. Today we're diving into a massive milestone in the open source world. Linux Lite 8.0, codename Hematite, has officially arrived. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know I love checking out distributions that make the transition from Windows to Linux completely painless for beginners. But this release, this isn't just a minor incremental update. The team behind Linux Lite has called this their largest development cycle ever, celebrating 14 years of community-driven purpose. They've completely rebuilt the operating system from the ground up to give you more control, unbelievable speed, and an experience that feels incredibly polished right out of the box. Whether you have an aging laptop gathering dust in your closet or a modern gaming rig where you want to squeeze out every single drop of performance, Linux Lite 8.0 is aiming directly for your desktop. In this video, we're going to look at the massive under-the-hood changes, the brand new features, how they've completely overhauled gaming performance, and why this might just be the best knob-friendly operating system of 2026. Let's start with what makes this operating system tick. Linux Lite 8.0 is built on top of the ultra-stable Ubuntu 2604 LTS Resolute base. Because it's an LTS or long-term support, you can install this on your machine and rest easy knowing you'll get rock-solid stability and security updates for years to come. But while the foundation is standard, what the developers did on top of it is nothing short of spectacular. They have completely modernized the desktop experience. The interface uses the lightweight XFCE desktop environment paired with Lite DM, keeping things incredibly fast. The biggest visual and technical leap forward here is that almost all internal Linux Lite applications have been ported over to GTK4 from older GTK3 and WebKit 2 frameworks. For the non-technical folks out there, what does that actually mean? It means the app looks sharper, render faster, consume fewer system resources, and react instantly when you click them. To make things even better for global users, the desktop interface has been translated into 23 languages and the internal applications support 22 languages right from the start. One of the things I respect most about this release is optimization. In an era where software keeps getting heavier and heavier, looking at you Windows 11, Linux Lite 8.0 actually went on a diet. The developers managed to slim the installation ISO down from 2.77 GB in Series 7 to just 2.36 GB in Series 8. That is a 410 MB savings. It downloads faster, fits easily on smaller USB drives, and leaves a lighter footprint on your storage. Speaking of installation, if you've ever been intimidated by installing a new operating system, you can throw those fears out the window. Linux Lite has dropped the old Ubiquiti installer and replaced it with Calamares. Calamares is famous in the Linux community for being visually clear, point-and-click simple, and incredibly safe to use. It guides you step by step whether you want to wipe your drive or dual boot alongside your existing setup. They've also added highly requested advanced features during installation, like out-of-the-box support for the modern BTRFS and XFS file systems. Once you boot into the system, you'll notice a beautiful brand new Plymouth boot theme featuring an animated feather spinner, replacing the old text-based boot sequence. It immediately gives the OS a premium commercial feel from the second you press the power button. Under the hood, everything is cutting edge. The system runs on Python 3.14.4. The classic command line resource monitor htop has been upgraded to the gorgeous and modern btop, and the old app source list files have been modernized into the sleek deb 822 source format. Oh, and for media lovers, you get native out-of-the-box support for JPEG XL and HEIC image formats, meaning photos from your modern smartphone will open perfectly without needing to hand down extra codecs. We have a lot more ground to cover, including a brand new game center and a massive custom gaming kernel. But real quick, if you're enjoying this breakdown and love keeping up with the latest Linux distributions, gaming tweaks and beginner-friendly tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to ring the notification bell too, so you never miss an episode here on Linux Network. Your support helps the channel grow immensely. Thank you. Now, let's talk about the absolute crown jewel of Linux Lite 8.0, the brand new Linux Lite Advanced Performance kernel. For beginners, the kernel is essentially the engine of your operating system. It's the bridge between your software and your actual hardware. Instead of just throwing in a stock, generic Ubuntu kernel, Linux Lite 8.0 features custom Linux 7.0 kernels built specifically for desktop and gaming use on every hardware. They give you two distinct choices right out of the box and you can switch between them seamlessly. First is the default Linux Lite kernel. This is the standard desktop engine that everyone boots into. It prioritizes a battery-smooth, ultra-responsive desktop experience for your everyday tasks like web browsing, handling documents, watching 4K YouTube videos, and everyday multitasking. It balances raw system throughput with responsiveness using dynamic preemption, meaning it can shift gears on the fly depending on what you're doing. But if you look at the system menu under System Lite Kernel, you can install the second option, the Linux Lite Gaming Kernel. This optional kernel is modified heavily to completely minimize input lag and maximize frame delivery. It is perfect if you play PC games regularly, stream or run heavy real-time audio and video production software where timing is absolutely critical. This gaming kernel switches the system into full preemption mode. This means the kernel can instantly interrupt almost any background task the millisecond your game or audio application asks for CPU power, drastically reducing stuttering and frame drops. Both of these kernels utilize the advanced EEVDF scheduler alongside a brilliant modification called BOR, which stands for Burst Oriented Response Enhancer. Think of BOR as a smart traffic cop for your computer. It tracks how long applications run in short, intense bursts. When you do something interactive like drag a window, type, click a menu, or when a game processes a brand new frame, BOR instantly recognizes that short burst and gives it a priority boost. This ensures your desktop never hitches or feels sluggish, even if you have a heavy download running or a window rendering in the background. The developers have implemented so many custom optimizations here that they've put together massive documentation pages on their website comparing them all. Plus, they've introduced a unique benchmark tool right inside the system where you can test your system performance and upload your scores to see how your hardware stacks up against the community. Beyond the blazing fast kernel, Linux Lite 8.0 introduces a completely rebuilt suite of in-house applications. The bulk of these are now coded cleanly in Python and utilize that gorgeous GTK4 interface we talked about earlier. Let's look at some of the standouts. First up, the classic Synaptic Package Manager has been officially replaced by a brand new expanded Lite Software Center. Synaptic is powerful, but let's be honest, it looks like it belongs in 2004 and can be incredibly intimidating for beginners. The new Lite software app makes finding, installing and removing applications as easy as using an app store on your smartphone. Next, for the gamers, we have the brand new Lite Game Center. This application acts as your central hub for gaming setup. Instead of hunting down how to install Wine, configurations or various launchers across the web, the Game Center gives you all the tools you need to get up, configured and running in minutes. We also get Lite Driver Manager, which is a brilliant fork of the famous Linux Mint drivers tool. It safely scans your system and installs proprietary drivers like your NVIDIA graphics card or specific Wi-Fi chipset with a single click. There's also Lite Kernel Manager to easily manage and benchmark your system engines, Lite Share Folder for hassle-free local network sharing, Lite Menu Sorter and Lite Terminal for a cleaner command line experience. They've even built a new desktop assistant called My AI to help answer your question and guide you as you learn the system. You'll also notice that some of these Lite apps are hard-coded with a dark theme by default. The developers did this intentionally to leverage a complementary contrast effect, making critical system tools easy on the eyes and simple to read. Even utility tools like Lite Info have been rewritten with a new detection method, allowing it to gather your system information significantly faster than ever before. For daily usability, Linux Lite 8.0 brings back Firefox as the default web browser, ensuring you have a highly secure, privacy-focused and fast web browsing experience right from the launch. What makes Linux Lite so special for newcomers is its thoughtful philosophy towards layout. The layout mimics the traditional Windows taskbar and start menu structure perfectly. You don't have to relearn how to navigate your computer. The system menu is clearly organized into categories like Office, Internet, Graphics and Multimedia. If you are a content creator, a casual user or a student, everything you need is either pre-installed or accessible with one click. And for security, along with the ultra-stable Ubuntu base, this release comes fully patched against recent security vulnerabilities, including the dirty frag exploit, keeping your personal data completely secure. The true magic of Linux Lite 8.0 is how it handles system resource. On boot, it sips RAM compared to modern Windows, leaving your hardware completely free to focus its energy on the apps you actually care about. If you've been frustrated by mandatory updates, telemetry tracking your every move and system slowdowns, This OS feels like a massive breath of fresh air. It gives you true ownership back over your computer. At the end of the day, Linux Lite 8.0 Hematite is an absolute triumph for the development team and its community. They took 14 years of user feedback and delivered a polished, incredibly fast and truly beautiful operating system. By moving to GTK4, optimizing the installation size, introducing a beginner-friendly software center and providing custom-tuned performance kernel for both everyday users and gamers, they have created a distribution that is hard to beat. If you want to rescue an old PC or simply want a clean, lightning fast desktop experience without the bloat, I highly recommend downloading the Linux Lite 8.0 ISO and giving it a spin. What do you think about the new custom kernel and the board scheduler features? Are you planning to test out the new Lite Gaming Center? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive on Linux Network. Drop a like if you found this video helpful, share it with someone looking to break free from Windows, and I will see you in the next one.